Hi guys, welcome back to the channel in this quick unboxing of the Safir Hajen. Hajen meaning shark in Swedish. Now I did a review of the prototype a while back, but now I have the finished product as a part of my collection. Now out of boxing, cardboard, nice one. Open the jaws of the shark. Safir is a sister brand of Hajen, a bit more fun, affordable watches. We have some info about the brand. We have some info about the shark. And when we open up the packaging, we have this. Oh, and goodies. Warranty card. What else is in here, guys? We have a what? Really can focus. A really nice little tool. Pin tool, nice quality. On the other end, yeah, great. That's probably pretty much one of the best tools I have ever received with a watch. Cool. Let's put it to the side. Sorry about the voice, I have a toddler and we've been sick non-stop for like 2 weeks. We have a really nice leather strap. Quick release. That's really cool. What else do we have? A nice, good quality, decent quality list screwdriver. Those are screwed links. And what's this? A badge, coaster, something similar. Ah, that's a nice touch. So I can put my beer on it or coffee while I do my reviews. Awesome. Goodies we like, goodies that are useful we like. And in here I guess we have the watch itself. A nice little package. Great. This close to Christmas. Getting a little package to gift. Let's fold, unfold, and my girlfriend probably wants me to save this paper. She always does. Put it to the side, and we have a travel watch pouch bag thingy. Canvas, leather strap. The gift that keeps on giving, this one. And in here we have the watch itself. Now a quick jump cut while I take off all the plastics. And here we go. Now it's hard to see in this light, but this is a blue version. There's also a black version with red details. This is a blue version with orange details. So really nice. Oh yeah, they improved articulation on that bracelet. That's even better than I remembered. We'll see the best selection. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. I do believe it's a 38mm case, right? So yeah, pretty much 38, 37.6, 37.7 ish, but the bezel is 39. So the bezel is about a millimeter wider, making it super duper grippy. Great build quality. We have the shark. We have the simple but functional clasp, plenty of micro adjust, and I'm gonna enjoy wearing this. I'm gonna use this as a daily is the plan, and do a review of the finished product. And let's finish off with taking it on my roughly 17 centimeter wrist. plenty of links to spare. And this is how it's gonna wear on my roughly 17 centimeter wrist. Really nice NH36 powered watch. Gonna have to size it to remove half the bracelet, it looks like. I can even take it off my hand without opening the clasp. I'm really looking forward to this one, guys. Review, hopefully, if we can stay healthy for once in a couple of weeks. And that's it. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.